Let us see. Second chapter is whole numbers. Okay, now second chapter is whole numbers. So in this whole numbers, we have some concepts, some topics. That is introduction, whole numbers, representation of whole numbers on number line. Next properties and also pattern. First of all, we will see the introduction. Introduction of whole numbers. So before seeing the whole numbers, we already know the natural numbers. What is the meaning of natural numbers? So we will say 1 to infinite. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Up to end we don't know. Okay, now 1 is the starting letter, end we don't know. So infinite numbers, okay, infinite numbers is there in natural numbers. Like that whole numbers. Like that whole numbers. Whole numbers also 0 to infinite. Okay, now what that whole numbers means? 0 to infinite. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on is called the whole numbers. So 0 to infinite is called the whole numbers, we will say. So natural numbers kana whole numbers. What is the extra number we have? 0. Okay. In natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. In whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So on means continue. Okay, now so on means continue. So infinite numbers is there. From 0 to infinite numbers is called the whole numbers. So 1 to infinite numbers is called the natural numbers. So that is the whole numbers definition. Here we will see the preceders and successors. Let us see. Successor, okay, successor and preceder. Successors and preceders. So ఏదైనా ఒక నెంబర్ కి బిఫోర్, ఓకేనా, ఏదైనా ఒక నెంబర్. సో ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ 4 యాజ్ నెంబర్. ఆ 4 కి నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే నెంబర్నే 5. ఓకేనా, 4 కి నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే నెంబర్ 5. ఆ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే నెంబర్ని ఏమని పిలుస్తామంటే సక్సెసర్ అని పిలుస్తాం. ఓకేనా, సక్సెసర్. సో 4 కి బిఫోర్ వచ్చే నెంబర్ని ఏమని పిలుస్తామండి? 3. సో దాన్ని ప్రిసీడర్ అని పిలుస్తాం. సో ఏ నెంబర్, ఓకేనా, what we will call as a number. A number just after a number is called a successor. A number just before a number is called a preceder. Just before number is called the preceder, just after number is called a successor. So that is, so any number you can take. So I have 148 is there. So 148 preceder number means before number. What is that? 147. So successor means after number. So 149. So like that we want to see. Let us see. In the page number 15, they given for you the math the following, not math the following, table they given. Following math, fill up the following table they given. So see the first one, first row 1, 2, 3. Okay, now 1, 2, 3 column is there. Second column is there 135, 237, 999. So you want to fill up 135 preceder number. What is the 135 preceder means? before number preceder, so 134 will come. So 135 successor number means 136 will come. So what is the answers? 134, 136. Next one, 237. 237 preceder number means 236. Successor means 238 will come. Next, 999. So 999. Preceder means before number. It will become 998. Okay. So successor means 1000 will come. Which number has no successor? Which number has no preceder? Which number has no successor means if you don't take the any number means we don't have the successor. If you don't have any number means we cannot tell the successor also. So ఏదైనా ఒక నంబర్ నుంచే మనం ప్రిసీడర్ ని సక్సెసర్ ని చెప్పగలమండి. ఆ నంబరే లేకపోతే ఎలా చెప్తాం అది ప్రిసీడర్ సక్సెసర్. సో దాని మీనింగ్ అది. See the next page. So 2.1 is there. So this is the introduction. So let us see the introduction was completed. Next to see the whole number. What is the meaning of whole number means? So 0 to infinite numbers is called the whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on is called the whole numbers we will say. See. In page number 16 they given for you check your progress. So which is the smallest whole number they asked for you. So what is the smallest whole number? So 0 అని చెప్పొచ్చండి. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on కదా. So 0 is the starting letter, that's why. Next, let's think is there in the down. Are all natural numbers whole numbers? Are all natural numbers whole numbers? అన్ని natural numbers whole numbers అవుతాయండి. సో yes అని చెప్పొచ్చు. సో అన్ని natural numbers whole numbers అవుతాయి. ఎందుకంటే హోల్ నెంబర్స్లో 0 మాత్రమే ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంటుంది, మిగతావన్నీ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్సే కదా. సో 0 అండ్ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ ఈజ్ కాల్ ద హోల్ నెంబర్స్. ఓకే. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ట్రూ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. సో సీ ద సెకండ్ వన్. ఆర్ ఆల్ హోల్ నెంబర్స్ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్ సారీ ఫస్ట్ వన్ సి ఆర్ ఆల్ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ హోల్ నెంబర్స్. In yesterday class, one metric ton is equal to 1000 kgs only. 1 metric in first chapter. In first chapter, last previous video, I told you one mistake. Okay, now. So that is 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kgs only, not I told for you 1000 into 1000 kgs అని చెప్పింటారండి. ఓకేనా, అది రాంగ్. సో 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kgs only. ఓకేనా, 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kgs. See, all natural numbers, first question are asking, are all natural numbers whole numbers? అన్ని natural numbers whole numbers అవుతాయండి. Yes, all natural numbers will become, so this is the whole numbers. All natural numbers will become whole numbers, but all whole numbers will not become natural numbers because 0 is there extra, that's why. So all natural numbers whole numbers. First one is correct. Second question, are all whole numbers natural numbers? Are all whole numbers natural numbers? No, because 0 is their extra number, that's why second answer is no, it is not true. First one is correct. All natural numbers whole numbers will come. So that is the whole numbers. Second part they given for you. See the third part, representation on whole numbers on number line. You want to indicate the whole numbers on number line. Let us see. So first of all, I am taking addition. Okay, addition on the number line. So let us see. So up to 10 on the number line I taken. I took. So addition on number line they given for you. See, addition on number line means if I take 3 as number, okay now. If I take 3 as number, I want 8, okay now. I want to get 8. So how many numbers after 8 is there? From 3 onwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 3 onwards, I want to get the 8th number. I want to get the 8th number. So by adding 5, I will get the 8. Okay. So from 3 onwards, I want to get the 8th number. From how many numbers after 8 is there means 5 numbers after. Okay now. Just after 5 numbers 8 is there. So that's why 3 plus 5. Okay now, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 will come. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So from position of 8, I want to go right side. Okay now. From position of 3, I want to go right side. So that is the addition. From 3 onwards, I want to go left side. So then it will become subtraction. Okay na. ఏదైనా ఒక పొజిషన్ నుండి ఏదైనా ఒక నంబర్ తీసుకొని అక్కడ నుంచి రైట్ సైడ్కి వెళ్తే అడిషన్, ఏదైనా ఒక నంబర్ పొజిషన్ తీసుకొని ఆ పొజిషన్ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్కి వెళ్తే అది సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ అవుతుందండి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఏ పొజిషన్. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ వన్ నెంబర్ యాజ్ పొజిషన్. ఫ్రమ్ దట్ number onwards I am going to right side is called the addition. From that number I am going to left side is called the subtraction. So that is additions and subtractions. See, in your textbook also they given for you. See, one table they given. So one table they given. So 12, 8 they given. So 12, 8. Numbers. So next position on number line. 12 lies on the right of 8. 12 lies on the right of 8 means from 8 onwards, right side is 12 is there. Okay, from 8 onwards, 8 is the position. From 8 onwards, on the right side is 12. Here see 12. From how many numbers after 12 is there? 4 numbers. From 8 onwards, what is the 12 position means? 4 numbers after 12 is there. From 8 onwards, 4 numbers after 12 number is there. Okay. So that is the relation between number 12 greater than 8. So it is correct now. So 12 greater than 8. So that is. See the next one. Next page, subtraction. Subtraction on number line means already I told you. Subtraction on number line. Subtraction on number line. So let us see. Subtraction on number line. See, I am taking 6 as position. Okay, now 6 as position. 6 as position. I want to get 2. So 6 position onwards I want to get 2. So 2 means before numbers I want. That means from 6 onwards I want to get 2 means I want to go the left side. Okay, now left side I want to go. So you want to do the subtraction means from the position of the number you want to go the left side. Addition means right side. Okay, now from 6 onwards what is the 2 position? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers before 2 is there. So from 6 to minus 4 you want to do. So you want to do the subtraction of minus 4. 6 minus 4 it will become 2. Okay. So from position of the number you want to go the left side. Left side means it will be the subtraction. Right side we will go means it is the addition. So that is the subtraction and addition. Let us see the multiplication. Let us see the multiplication. So anyone, any question. In multiplication, the number will jump. Okay, now the number will jump to left side or right side. Because you want to get minus means left side you want to come. You want to get right side means it will become positive number. So, but we are taking only whole numbers now. Whole numbers means you want to go right side. You want to go right side. So what they given for you? 4 into 2. 4 into 2. 4 into 2. It will become 8. It will become 8. So on the number line, how can you write? On the number line, how can you write? See. Two numbers you want to jump. Okay, now two numbers you want to jump. So from 2 onwards I am taking. From 2 onwards I am taking. Two numbers I want to jump. So this is 2, 2, 2, 2. See, 4 twos 8. 4 twos 8. So what is the difference? Two numbers you want to jump from 0 to 2. 2 numbers is there. 2 to 4. 2 numbers you want to jump. From 2 to 6. 2 numbers you want to jump. From 6 to 8. 2 numbers you want to jump. So how many numbers is there? 2, 2. Next to 2, 2. So 2 twos are 4. Okay, now 2 twos are 4. Not 4. Addition you want to do. Okay, not multiplication. So totally how many numbers 4 times you want to jump. So what is the number? 2. Okay, now jumping with 2, how many times? 4 times you want to jump. So that is the value. So 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Another number I am taking. Up to 12, again 0 to 12. Let us see. 5 into 3, 5 into 3. So you want to jump with 3 numbers you want to jump. How many times? 5 times. Okay, now 5 times. Let us see. 3 numbers 1 time. 3 numbers want to jump. So 1 time. 2 times, 3 times, okay, now 3 times, 4 times, 4 times, 5 times. So 5 times. So that is 5 3s 15. 5 3s 15 we know. So 3 want to jump. How many times? 5 times. So 3 3 3 3 3. So 3 numbers you want to jump. So how many times? 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5 times want to jump. So it will become 5 3s 15. So the value will become 15. Okay. See the problems they given for you in page number 17. Let's do. So 5 plus 3 they given. 5 plus 3 means 8. So you want to do. So from 5 onwards, what is the position? Take 5. 5 onwards you want to go right side. So it will become 3 adding means 8 will come. Let us see. So I will tell 2 problems. Remaining 3 problems do yourself. Show these on number line. Let's do 17th page. In 17th page. See the second question. 5 minus 3. Let us see. First question I am telling. 5 plus 3. So what is the 5? First position. Position I am taking. 5. Okay. 5 plus means addition. Addition means you want to go the right side. 5 plus 3. So from 5 onwards you want to go 3. So 5 after 6, 7, 8. 3 numbers after. Okay, now 3 numbers after. What is the value? 8 will come. Like that. So 5 is the position. 5 is the position. Second question. 5 minus 3 is there. You want to subtract with 3 numbers. Subtract means you want to go the left side. So 5 onwards. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now 3 numbers. So what is the answer? 2. What is the answer? 2 minus 3. So it will become plus 3. Okay, it will become plus 3. You want to do addition means with the position number, go right side. You want to do subtraction means with the position number, you want to come left side. So that is remaining 3 problems to yourself. See the multiplication also completed. So they given for you the questions. Let's explore in the 17th page. 17th page, let's explore. Okay, now let's explore. Let's explore. See that one. Which number should be deducted from 8 to get 5? See, which number should be deducted? Which number should be deducted from 8? Deducted means you want to reduce. Reduce means from position you want to come left side. Okay. Which number should be deducted from 8? From 8 onwards. Okay. From 8 onwards to get 5. I want to get 5. I want to get 5. So how many numbers I want to deduct? See, 8 onwards, 1, 2, 3. So minus 3. I want to deduct 3. Okay, now I want to deduct 3. Next, which number should be deducted from 6 to get 1? From 6 onwards. From 6 onwards, you want to deduct. Deduct means decreasing. That means subtraction. I want to come left side. From 6 onwards, I want to get deduction with 1. So from 6 onwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 numbers I want to deduct. So 6 minus 5, 1 will come. So that is next one. What should be, which number should be added to 6 to get 8? From 6 onwards, again from 6 onwards, I want to get the 8 number. I want to get the 8 number. So from 1 to, I want to go right side. Right side means adding. So plus 2 from the position of the number, it will become 8. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Next one, last one. How many 6 are needed to get 30? How many 6s are needed to get 30? So you want to do multiplication amount. Multiplication and number. How many 6s are needed to get 30? So 6s. How many 6s I want to get with 30 means 5. 5. So, how many 6s are needed? How many 6s are needed? To get 30. So, how many 6s? Any 6s kavali ani adugutunnaru. So, from 0 to 6. 0 to 6. Okay, now next 6. 12. And next 6. Next 6. So jumping to 6. So how many numbers you want to get? How many 6s are needed to get 30? So how many times we will jump? 5 times. I think 5 times. So 6 5 is 30. So 6 5 is 30. So that is, see the next exercise, that is 2.1. After completing 2.1, we will see the properties and pattern of the whole numbers. See the 2.1 exercise. How many whole numbers are there in between 27 and 46? So how many whole numbers are there in between 27 and 46? So I will tell one example before going to this number. In between 1 and 10. 1 and 10. How many numbers are there in between 1 and 10? The meaning ఏమండి? సో 1 కి 10 కి మిడిల్ లో 1 కి 10 కి మిడిల్ లో ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? సో 1 10 తీసుకోకూడదు. ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ అని చెప్పాడు కదా. ఫ్రమ్ అని చెప్పింటే 1 తీసుకోవచ్చు, 10 తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఫ్రమ్ 2 అని చెప్పింటే 1 తీసుకోవచ్చు, 10 తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? దే టోల్డ్ ఫర్ యూ బిట్వీన్ అండ్, ఓకేనా, between 1 and 10. That means you don't want to take the 1 and 10 in between numbers. You want to take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these numbers you want to take. So how many numbers is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers is there. So big numbers mean difference is more than means how can you add? So from between 1 to 874 will give. So let it be. How can you do? You cannot add like this. So because so many numbers is there. So we want to do the shortcut method. Okay. Shortcut method. So between 1 and 10, how many numbers is there? 8 numbers. So I will do the subtraction. 10 minus 1. Okay, na 10 minus 1. So what is the answer? 9. You want to subtract with another number also, minus 1. So that will become 8. Understood? So how many numbers are there? 1 in between 10 means 8 numbers are there. Okay, now how many numbers are there? 8 numbers are there. Like that we will see our problem. (27, 46). Okay, now in between 27 and 46 means you want to do the subtraction. 46 minus 27. 46 minus 27. So what is the value? 931. So 19 will come. 19 is not the exact answer. From this answer you want to subtract with 1. So minus 1. So it will become 18. So this is the answer. Because of it, you want to subtract with 27 also. Okay, now that means 42 minus 27 means you are subtracting only in between numbers and also adding the 27. So subtracting the 27 also, it will become 18. Okay, so in between means you want to subtract and also you want to do minus 1 with that value, then only you will get the answer. Okay, so that is the in between the values. Next is here, find the following using number line. So see the first question. 6 plus 7 plus 7. 6 plus 7 plus 7. So you want to take first number 6 as position. 6 as position. Okay. 6 after you want to add with 7. 7 means you want to addition means you want to go to the right side. Okay. 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers. Okay. Next they given for you plus 7. Again you want to go right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. From 6 onwards, 6 plus 7 means you want to go right side. Addition means. So from 6 after 7 numbers. 6 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From this number you want to add plus 7. No? Plus 7 means you want to go right side again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is. So what is the value? 20. So 6 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to what is the value? 20. So that is the value of 20. So see the position. Here we are. Here we are. So that is the first question. See the second question. Eighteen minus 9. So what is the 18? 18. So this is the position. 18 is the position. 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9. Minus means you want to come the position after left side. So 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is minus 9. So what will be the value also? 9 only. So this is the value. So 18 minus 9 means 9 will come. So like that we want to do. Next one, see. 5 into 3. 5 into 3. So you want to jump 3 times. Okay, you want to jump 3 times. From 0 onwards, 3. Next to 3. Okay, and next to 3. So like that, how many times you want to jump? 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like that you want to draw on the number line. Okay. So that is the second problem. See the third one. In which case, in each pair, state which whole number on the number line is on the right of the other number. So they are asking in each pair. So you want to write down the pair. 895 from 239. So they given on the pair. Okay, now they given on the pair. So you want to indicate on the number line these numbers. Okay, now these two numbers. Let us see. So any number take. So that is I am taking 895. So this is 895. So next number is 239. So 239 means on the right side or left side will come. So 899, 239. Okay, now this is the smallest number. This is the biggest number. So that's why here is there 239. Correct only, no? So 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244 like that. So 895 in the right side only. So this is the number line you want to indicate. So that many numbers we can't write. So for our assumption, I written like that. So small number, big number will be on the right side only. Okay, now big number will be on the right side only. So from the 239, small number will become on the left side. So that is. So what they ask for you? State which whole number on the number line is on the right side of the other number. So what is the right side of the number? For these two numbers, right side is, what is the number? 895. So the answer will become 895. Understood? Okay. So ఈ నెంబర్ లైన్ మీద ఏది రైట్ సైడ్ లో ఉంటే అదే ఆన్సర్ అంట. ఆ నెంబర్ ని తీసుకోమని చెప్తున్నారు మీకు. So that is, what is the right side number? 895. See the second one. See here, 1001 is there. Another number 10,001 is there. 10,001. So from these two numbers, what is the big number? Big number is this. So you want to write down here. So small number means you want to write here. Okay now. So from this one, what is the right side? This number only. So that is the answer. So like that you want to do. See the third one. So 50, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4013. 4013. So see the third question. You want to indicate on the number line. So this is 4,000. This is 15,000. 4,000 will be there. 15,000 means on the right side of the 4,000 it will become, because of big number. So 4,000 13. So 15,678. So from these two numbers, what is the right side? We have also big number, that is 15,678. So that is the answer. Like that you want to do. So see the last one. Mark the smallest whole number on the number line. So what is the smallest whole number? On the number line you want to mark. So what is the smallest number line? Smallest whole number. So see the fourth question. Mark the smallest whole number on the number line. So this is the number line. In this number line, what is the smallest number we have? So that is 0. So 0. You want to mark like that. So that is the smallest number on the number line. So that is the answer. So that is the first exercise 2.1. Next class we will see the properties and pattern.